Baby.
Are you aware?
Baby by lower.
One information to your phone manager.
What's my bedroom can was in bed?
Is it long would you me back kilo seven?
What's on the uncle?
Oh. What's all in here?
The bell nation by now. What's the thing people need in a party already?
Oh. Maybe you know I have so many things on my head. As in, what you think about it? Yeah, it's like you said something like that. How much is the money even?
500,000.
Baby, 500,000.
Is that much?
Yeah, but look, fact is going here now. What's it about you now? In fact, kilo 500 no shame.
Okay. Oh, already Marshall. Oh, Marshall. And Asha told me it's like 3 yard is 200k. Mumara week. There's no one party.
You know, just anything for you. Okay, that's why you are. So that's why you are just trying to display all this form of pampering of this stuff.
No, baby.
No worry.
Let me give you this.
Okay, don't worry. I'll give you. But for now, I'm not having 500,000. But
Wow.
my phone need 300,000 because she's managing it. So to about the parallel show on my balance up.
Baby, you know what?
What's it?
Complete it. 350.
Okay, wait, baby.
Talon Pierre.
It's a very important call. Let me. I'll get back to you. Wait.
Very important.
He shock you. You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Shofeki, your home come in morning. At least you know the plan we have now. I know. See, I'm just doing all this one for the betterment of you and Shegun. Okay, you know what? You just exercise a bit of patience, eh? A bit of patience. No document here. Document here. At least you and I and Shegun, then we'll look for a better country. At least we'll fly out from here. I know. Oh. So just have a little bit of patience. I see. Okay, just.
Not too much.
I will call you back. Eh? I will call you. See, it's not like you are taking things too far now. Okay. No what? My pay pada.
He shot you.
That's okay.
From who I was called to be, but I knew that when I felt you great.